This is Shop Talk with Buck. I am Buck, and welcome to my shop. I had just finished a captain's wheel. Just finished a captain's wheel. It turned out pretty good, didn't it? I spent 2 weeks building this thing, and the videos and saw the solution is a lot more detail, a lot of detail. Hard not to put the detail out. It's almost 2 hours between the two, 45 and 50 minutes each. So, but I did get it. They got a play going on in July, which today's July 1st. So this month, I think it's the 13th is the first air. Going to have 6 showings. They're doing a Little Mermaid down in Ringo, Georgia. So, got this done. I'm telling you what, I'm proud of this thing. Man, this thing looks good. Looks good. I'm tickled with it. I hope they like it. They've seen pictures of it, but you know, picture only go so far. Seeing it in real life is really where it's at. You know, you get an idea of what the picture shows, but when you see something in person, and I have got it dusted up in the back. I'll have to wipe that off. But anyway, I've got this thing. We're gonna go see it. Me and my daughter, she's a big fan of the Little Mermaid. So me and her's gonna go see it. Kind of looking forward to it. I've been to plays for local people before. I've not seen this outfit here, but I have been to others that I've been asked to do different things for. A lot of talent around here, local talent. There's, you know, all the talent ain't in Hollywood. It's your local people. They got plays. Y'all go check them out, because they do really good. Very entertaining. I'm not real crazy on musicals, but they're good. So I'm thinking about doing a bridal joint. I don't know if y'all. It's kind of a souped up mortise and tenon joint. A lot of glue surface. And if you got a 90-degree door frame or anything like that, it makes a really good strong joint. I'm thinking about showing y'all how I do that. Bridal joints. It's a pretty good looking joint. If you get them smoothed down and put stain on it, you know, the end grain, it's like it's right here. So that's end grain right there. And you know, long grain there. The stain and your finish acts differently on those, and when you're coming together like that, it's a pretty good looking joint. Like I say, it's good and strong, plenty of glue surface, but that's what I'm thinking about doing next. Show y'all how I do a bridal joint. Just thought I'd bring y'all up to date on how things are going. Just a quick little deal here, but I am proud of that thing there. What do you think about, let's say I had this thing here hanging on a wall, and I put some clock hands here and made a clock out of this thing. Made a good clock, wouldn't it? So that's what I'm thinking about doing when they're finished with it. Doing that. That'd be pretty cool. A clock right there. I'm just kicking some ideas around. But if y'all got a thought on it, leave me a comment and see what you think about making that into a clock. Be interesting. But anyway, this is made out of pine. You can take pine and get stain, kind of an old rustic look. I don't know. That's that is dark walnut stain on pine. It looks good. Now I put some shellac on top of it, kind of seal it off. So, well, that's going to do me on this one. I just thought I'd touch base with you and seeing how everything's going. Telling y'all what's going on around here. Not a lot, but I am doing a captain's wheel. I'll put a little. If y'all remember, I did a cliffhanger. I took some after they got it painted and up. I'll put that on at the end of this video here, where y'all can see it cliffhanger, just about 20 seconds, just give you an idea what it looks like when it was in place. Turned out well. Everybody loved it. Everybody loved it. Kids enjoyed the game, all that kind of stuff. Well, that's gonna do me for this one. Hope y'all enjoyed it. I will catch y'all on the next, and y'all be safe, and thank you for watching.